Stop sabotaging your learning with these common mistakes. Learning is an incredible adventure, but sometimes we unknowingly hit a few bumps along the way. Don't worry, we've got your back. Here are some sneaky mistakes that might be slowing you down, along with simple fixes to turbocharge your learning journey. 1. No goals, no gains. Skipping goal setting is like trying to hit a bullseye with your eyes closed. Fix it. Set SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Want to ace that course or master guitar chords? Break it into bite-sized tasks and crush them one by one. 2. Passive learning equals snooze fest. Just reading or binge-watching videos? That's like staring at a pizza and expecting to feel full. Fix it. Get active. Jot down notes, teach a friend, or tackle some practice problems. When you're involved, learning sticks like glue. 3. Skipping review? Bye-bye knowledge. Cramming without revisiting material later is like pouring water into a leaky bucket. Fix it. Schedule review sessions. Tools like spaced repetition can turn your brain into a memory powerhouse. 4. Multitasking mayhem. Texting, scrolling and studying? Nope, your brain isn't a superhero. Fix it. Go all in on one task. Turn off distractions and watch your focus and results skyrocket. 5. Ignoring feedback? Big no-no. Feedback is your secret weapon for leveling up, so don't shrug it off. Fix it. Listen up and take notes. Reflect, adjust, and turn constructive criticism into your superpower. 6. Overloading your brain. Trying to learn everything at once is like trying to eat an entire cake in one bite. Yikes. Fix it. Prioritize the juicy bits. Master key ideas first and organize your learning with tools like mind maps. 7. Fear of failing? Stop holding back. Mistakes aren't roadblocks, they're stepping stones. Fix it. Adopt a growth mindset. Fail forward, learn, and embrace challenges as part of the ride. See, folks? Learning doesn't have to be a struggle. With these strategies, you'll be cruising toward your goals in no time. Remember, progress isn't about perfection. It's about persistence, patience, and showing up. So dive in, enjoy the process, and celebrate every win, big or small, along the way. You've got this.